Hello and welcome to the Thursday edition of CNY Weathertainment. And before I even remind you to check me out on social media, I want to also encourage you that with the weeks and days dwindling down with the fall season, to check out the Friday night football forecast, which will come up today and tomorrow, and then the fall foliage report, which will return tomorrow night for the weekend, because this weekend is going to be the peak, not just locally, but throughout New York State. Now, don't forget to follow me on Twitter at CNY Jeff Matthews, and on Instagram you can do so as well. I should post some autumnal photos, shouldn't I? I think I will this weekend. Meanwhile, 57 is the average. We'll be very close to that for today. Mañana, tomorrow, Friday, a little cooler at 53, and we take a big step down for Saturday and Sunday. Those are very cool highs, and I don't mean like the kids say either. 44 and 44 for the weekend days. So that's why I'm telling you the last few days, and on my You Can Quote Me forecast below this one, if you scroll down when you're done, that there's a good chance that if anything falls on Saturday, it would be S, not R. Still cool on Monday, but when it warms up, it's going to be dramatic for Tuesday and Wednesday. A big change. So, chaotic skies for the next several days, because the cool air just keeps on circulating in, and it's unsettled. And then it's going over the lakes, and that causes it to be that much more unsettled. Also, wild swings in the thermometer. As this cool air keeps pushing in, it'll drop the thermometer down. When it's all the way packed in good and tight, then the warm air has a chance to surge. But before it does, first flakes could be flying as soon as after midnight Friday night. Again, the storm from several days ago drove the jet stream south and east across the Great Lakes and into New England. And here we are at present with most of the moisture having moved out. But two things to note. There's still some moisture upstream. And look what's showing up on the color-coded radar. Blue. It's getting closer to the U.S.-Canadian border, and it's going to drop south and east Friday night and Saturday. We'll get a little shot here and another one behind it, bringing more and more of the cooler air. And that will likely set off some showers late this afternoon into this evening, and then late tomorrow afternoon and evening as well. See how that affects your Friday night football forecast. But there's a bad framing here that I can't do anything about. It's NASA's fault. But there's a lot of instability clouds coming down with each one of these fronts for the next several days, and so it'll be until Saturday night before skies really quiet down. We actually picked up a little rain in Rome this morning, so that's why the rain gauge had 0.06. And the temps were a little bit warmer on the high side and a little bit cooler than forecast, which comes your way next.
Welcome to Intermission. Yeah, Intermission.
Okay, so here we go. A couple of ditto days, making it pretty easy to remember. Pretty gloomy out there, pretty gray, cool, damp. 58 for today with a few showers or sprinkles afternoon and evening, especially later afternoon and evening. But anytime this afternoon, evening, and night, on and off light showers, sprinkles, the kind where you put the intermittent on your wipers on. Low tonight of 45, high tomorrow of only 53 with a ditto day, mostly cloudy, a few light showers later in the day and at night. And Saturday, anything that falls after midnight Friday night could be in the flurry form. Sunday, kind of cloudy and sunny periods back and forth, but look at how cold. 44 for Saturday, 44 for Sunday, 46 for Monday. Nighttime lows below freezing, so cover those petunias. But then a dramatic warm-up comes our way for Tuesday and Wednesday. Have a great Thursday.